The Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam at home and tested it in a bunch of different situations. There's a lot to like about this camera. Once it's installed, you never have to charge it again, which I love. It does a good job spotting vehicles and people. For the price, it's a seriously solid solar security camera, even though the footage could be sharper. Let's go through what stood out. Here are the pros. It never needs charged after the first time. It detects people and vehicles accurately. It has an active deterrence mode with floodlights and a loud siren. It's easy to install. It's also one of the most affordable floodlight cameras out there. Here's the con. The video quality isn't amazing. It works, but it's not as crisp as Reolink's higher-end cameras. Now let's talk about price. The Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam runs a little over $100. That's way cheaper than most similar cameras, which usually run anywhere from $200 to $400. It also saves you money on local storage since you can record to a mini SD card or the Reolink Home Hub instead of paying for cloud service. If you do want cloud storage, Reolink's plans are pretty inexpensive. You can get up to 30 days of cloud history for around $6 and 60 days of storage for about $12. Here's how the Solar Floodlight Cam compares to other solar cameras. It costs under $120. It comes with 2K video resolution. It has a 7800 mAh battery. The solar panel is built right in. A lot of other brands are more expensive. Many of them make you buy the solar panel separately. Boo. Here's what comes with the camera. You get the camera, an adjustable mount, installation screws, a charging cable, a small wrench, a mounting template, Reolink security stickers, and an instruction booklet. Now let's talk about solar charging. You only need to charge the camera once before you install it. After that, the solar panel keeps it powered. Mine only gets direct sunlight for a few hours, and it still never ran out of power. I like that the solar panel is attached to the camera because some brands make you buy and mount a separate panel, which is a hassle. The charging only took a couple of hours when I started the installation. The installation itself only took about 30 minutes, as long as I followed the instructions. The first time I didn't, I had to restart all over. Next, object detection. This camera is actually pretty accurate. When a vehicle pulls into my driveway, it labels it as a vehicle every time. It does the same with people. It's a little less confident with pets or random objects. Sometimes it says just says movement detected. It doesn't really tell you what it detected. Overall, the people in the vehicle detection is reliable. The camera also has an active deterrence mode. If you trigger the alarm in the app, the camera blasts a 110 decibel siren and flashes a 1000 lumen floodlights. It's definitely bright and loud enough to scare off someone snooping around, or even wild animals that are snooping around. Let's talk about video quality. Reolink cameras are usually really clear. I was a bit surprised that this one looked a little grainy and washed out. I compared it to the Reolink Argus 4 Pro, which I have right next to it. The difference is obvious. The Argus looks sharp and vibrant because it records in 4K instead of 2K. The Solar Floodlight Cam records in 2K and you can really tell. It's still usable. You can identify people in cars. It's just not the sharpest footage. Now to storage. You can save footage locally in two ways. First, by inserting a mini SD card into the back of the camera. The amount of storage depends on the type of card you buy, so remember that. Second, you can use the Reolink Home Hub Pro. It costs around $300, connects to your router, and stores up to 2 terabytes of footage with no monthly fees. So that's the Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam. It's affordable, easy to install, solar powered, and pretty accurate. The video quality could be better, but overall, the value is tough to beat. Make sure to subscribe for more smart home reviews, tips, and ways to protect your home, your people, and your stuff. Stay safe.